Hi, beautiful queen. Thank you to stopping by on my channel, guys. Today we have our beautiful sister here, our client. She's she's doing something beautiful. She's doing 4 locks, single braid 4 locks. I think it's how they call it, but it's how I'm thinking is how we call it. But let me let me tell you about a quick story, guys. First when she came, we supposed to do the crochet. Just crochet the hair, braid it down, and crochet the hair. I took all my time, guys. Braid this beautiful queen hair, beautiful straight going back. After when I took the hair down, I took the hair inside the pack. I tried to crochet this hair. It was not working. I don't know. I was doing wrong. I went on YouTube, but the hair was not the same. Hair. It was not for crochet. I think this hair was not for crochet. It was for the single four butterfly 4 loc. I think it was for single butterfly 4 loc. I took all the hair down, and we did it single one. And what I did on this hair, I think the client said she wanted very small, but I did the single braid very small. It was very small, nice, very small. But for me, I was thinking it was too heavy. It was too heavy because like 6 pack, we use like six or 7 pack of hair because she bought 8 pack. Imagine 8 pack. We use only half, and she have her cut in the one size. Cut one side. She have I don't know how to call it, but she have her hair cut on one side, and we just do the braid on the other side. What I did, I taken very small, but I was thinking when I was done putting the hair inside her hair, you'll see the end of this on the video. I was thinking the hair was a lot for me. I was thinking the hair was a lot, but the client love it. She love it. That is the point. If the client love it, that's it. But the hair, you guys will see. Let me start talking and just say thank you guys to stop by. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That's it, just a thumbs up. Subscribe, share the video to your friend and family, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.